The rise of blockchain technology from the realms of science fiction to real-world applications has sparked a global wave of enthusiasm, particularly within the financial services sector. In 2022 alone, payment applications claimed a remarkable 44% share of the total global blockchain revenue. This impressive growth is projected to continue, with estimations suggesting that by 2030, the global revenue generated by blockchain technology in banking will skyrocket to a staggering $1.4 trillion. What makes blockchain truly transformative is its disruptive nature in the financial industry. Instead of simply replacing existing systems, blockchain paves the way for an entirely new market and opens doors to banking services for the unbanked population. This innovative technology is revolutionizing traditional financial institutions by introducing novel approaches that were once unimaginable. Before we delve into the specifics, let's quickly recap what blockchain technology is. Blockchain is a digital ledger that operates in a decentralized manner, ensuring transparency and immutability by recording transactions across numerous networks. It ensures security, trust, and efficiency, making it ideal for various industries, including banking. Throughout history, banks have played a vital role as intermediaries in the financial system, ensuring the security of our funds and facilitating transactions. Nevertheless, they have often been susceptible to errors, fraud, and misuse. The emergence of blockchain technology presents a promising solution to these challenges. By establishing a decentralized ledger of transactions, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize banking by enabling direct operations without the reliance on intermediaries. This transformative capability not only enhances the efficiency of banking processes, but also significantly bolsters security measures. Moreover, blockchain has the power to reduce the costs associated with banking services. By eliminating the need for expensive intermediaries, blockchain in banking has the capacity to make financial services more accessible and affordable for individuals from all walks of life. Blockchain in banking offers several benefits and is revolutionizing financial transactions. One significant impact is seen in cross-border payments, where blockchain enables direct transactions between parties, eliminating intermediaries and reducing costs. Improved security is another advantage, as every transaction recorded on the blockchain is encrypted and linked to previous transactions, creating a tamper-proof system that deters hackers. Blockchain technology enhances transparency by making every transaction visible to all participants, reducing the risk of fraud and enabling the traceability of funds. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements with predefined rules and conditions, eliminating intermediaries and streamlining processes. The decentralized nature of blockchain can provide financial services to the unbanked population, creating digital identities and secure transactions for the underprivileged. Blockchain can revolutionize lending and credit processes by allowing lenders to access borrowers' transaction histories and credit scores, making loan approvals faster and more efficient. In conclusion, blockchain in the banking industry revolutionizes financial transactions with faster, cheaper, and more secure processes. Its potential impact is immense. Blocktunix is a leading blockchain development company with a decade of experience and collaborations across 9 industries. Our team of 300+ experienced blockchain developers has a proven track record of delivering over 1,000 blockchain solutions and services. Partner with us for top-tier, customized blockchain development services that empower your business to surpass the competition and achieve unprecedented success. Visit www.blocktunix.com today to explore our pinnacle blockchain development services and unlock your business's potential. Thank you for watching this informative and insightful video. Please share any questions or thoughts in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more updates on technology and its impact on our daily lives. Until then, take care and keep exploring.